What if I told you the same kind of work companies pay $100,000 plus to consultants for can now be done by AI in seconds? And no, this isn't hype, it's already happening. What's happening? For decades, consulting firms made money by analyzing businesses, creating strategies, and delivering polished slide decks. Now, AI tools are replicating that exact workflow. There are libraries with tens of thousands of AI skills that can break down problems, generate hypotheses, and perform structured analysis, even create presentation-ready outputs. In other words, AI is becoming a junior consultant in your browser. Why this is a big deal? This changes everything, because now small businesses can access high-level thinking and startups don't need expensive consultants. Companies can move faster than ever. We're entering a world where strategy becomes cheap and fast. And when something becomes cheap, it stops being the advantage, the big limitation. But here's what most people are missing. AI still doesn't think deeply. Real consultants add value by asking tough questions, challenging assumptions, and understanding internal dynamics. AI, it mostly runs structured, surface-level analysis, or doesn't truly understand your business. The real shift. So what actually matters now? Context. The companies winning with AI are the ones that feed it internal data and continuously refine it. Teach it how their business works, because AI without context is just guessing. But AI with context, that's a powerful decision engine. Winners and losers. Winners, startups and small businesses, tech-enabled companies, and founders who adopt AI early. Losers, traditional consulting, especially basic work, entry-level analysts, and people doing repetitive thinking tasks. Conclusion. Here's the truth. Consulting isn't going away, but it's evolving. The value is no longer in analysis. The value is in thinking, judgment, and context. Final takeaway. If you're not using AI to make decisions faster, you're not competing with other people anymore. You're competing with people using AI.